Jupiter is dignity, children, hope, wisdom, knowledge, ethics, morality, prosperity, honor, fat, and it is Bhagya Karaka. It is Karaka of 2nd, 5th, ninth, and 11th house. Jupiter, like a lamp, lightens the houses which it aspects, but the places where it sits remain dark. Like there is always darkness under the candle, so the native should focus on the house in which Jupiter is sitting. Lord Ram suffered 14 years exile due to Jupiter in Lagna. King Harish Chandra suffered due to Jupiter in the 4th house. So, Jupiter in the 4th house indicates that the native should keep his morality, ethics, and dharma intact. The native should worship Mother Durga. Jupiter in the 6th house can cause harm to dignity from enemies, but the dignity of the native even then remains intact and maintained as Jupiter from 6th house aspects the 10th house by 5th aspect. As remedy, the native should worship Lord Narayana, Om Namo Narayanaय. Jupiter in 7th house can cause harm to marital relations. For it, the native should worship Lord Shiva. The trine in which Jupiter is placed is very important as Jupiter tends to bring the native in tune with the trine or trine in which it is located. If Jupiter is in Dharm Trikona, that is 159, first, fifth, or ninth house, it wishes to make the native religious and righteous and demands ethics and morality from the native. The native's guru will help him to maintain and focus on dharma. If Jupiter is in the Earth Trikona 2, 6, 10, that is second, sixth, or 10th house, requires the native to maintain dignity and focus on karma. The 5th or ninth aspect of the Jupiter on 10th house gives dignity. The native's guru will help him in financial achievements through focus on karma. If Jupiter is in Kama Trikona, that is 3, 7, 11, 3rd, 7th, or 11th house, it requires the native to focus on profit for fulfillment of desires. The native's guru will help him in fulfillment of desires and focus on profits. If Jupiter is in Moksha Trikona 4, 8, 12, it requires the knowledge of salvation. The native's guru will help him and show him the path of moksha and focus on salvation. It is exalted in Cancer, that is moon sign, as mother is our first teacher. If Jupiter is malefic in a chart, that is debilitated, combust in enemy sign, conjunct with malefics, aspected by malefics, placed in malefics houses, then one should chant the mantra Devanam cha Rishinam cha Guru Kanchan Sanibham Buddhi Bhutam Trilokesham Tam Namami Brispatim, or should chant Om Gram Grim Grom Sah Guruve Nama, or Om Brim Brispate Nama, or Om Vrishab Dhwajaya Vidmahe Kruni Hastaye Dhimahi Tano Guru Prachodayat. For remedies, as remedies of Jupiter, one should donate yellow pulses, turmeric, yellow clothes, yellow sweets at any temple or religious place. Fast on Thursday, he should respect his elders, teachers, and touch their feet.